Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily change the appearance mode in the Grok AI app. Let's get started. First, open the Grok AI app on your iPhone or Android device and sign into your account if you haven't already. In the top left corner of the screen, next to the Ask and Imagine options, tap the 3 lines icon. After the new page opens, scroll to the bottom of the screen. You'll see your profile and a settings icon shaped like a gear. Tap on it. Once you open the settings, you'll be taken to a new page where, just below your profile, you'll find the Appearance section. Here, you'll see several options. System. This option is usually active by default, meaning the app's appearance follows your device's system settings. For you, this mode is designed to be easier on your eyes, something Grok AI specifically focused on improving. Dark mode, the well-known dark theme, perfect for users who prefer a darker interface. And of course, light mode, which doesn't need much explanation. You already know what it does. Simply choose the mode that suits you best, and continue exploring all the amazing features that the Grok AI app offers. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. See you in the next one.